Hennessey, the world-renowned Texas-based hypercar manufacturer and high-performance vehicle creator, has unveiled its H1000 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing, the hero of luxury sports sedans. Boasting a supercharged 1,000 horsepower V8 and fitted with luxurious appointments, the rear-wheel drive Cadillac is a Herculean muscle car wearing an elegant tuxedo. Straight from the factory, the Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing is the automaker's most powerful production car ever. Under its hood is a supercharged 6.2-liter small-block LT4 V8 engine, rated at 668 horsepower and 659 pound-foot of torque. Offered with a 6-speed manual and a 10-speed automatic, both variants sprint to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds and boast a top speed of over 205 miles per hour. Hennessey's prodigious power upgrade complements Cadillac's performance enhancements, including adaptive magnetic ride control, Brembo brakes, and configurable driving modes for every situation. An integrated data recorder logs performance both on and off track. The H1000 upgrade is backed by Hennessey's comprehensive 2-year, 24,000-mile limited warranty. The upgrade only applies to the Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing. Production of the new Hennessey H1000 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing will begin in August 2023.